Hi guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will give you the TLDR from my favorite technical analysis YouTube channels that I follow. So you don't have to spend a few hours to watch all of them, and you get the information in less than 10 minutes with details of what the crypto market has done for the past 24 hours and what prices and key levels can we expect on the next few days. I will be going through some of the webs and applications that I use to get more information and have an idea of what Bitcoin is going to do for the week. And of course, we'll be going through the bots that I have open for the channel, see how they're doing and any changes that I can do. So if this is something that you want to watch, again, no more than 10 minutes, stick around. All right, so Bitcoin had a very small recovery for the past 24 hours. We are at $112,200 at the moment. And these are the key levels that we can find on the next few days. On the top side, we had 113,500, another one at 117, 118, and 120. Well, if we look at the bullish scenario for the next few days, if Bitcoin breaks over 113,500 and bounces and doesn't go underneath, we can expect a recovery, and the probability of hitting 117,000 is high. Reaching 118,000, it's medium, and reaching 120, I would say for the week, is very low. But the key point is 113,500. We need to break it and hold it in order to go to the upside. The bearish scenario tells us that if we break 110,500 and it holds as resistance, then we can definitely expect the price to touch $109,000 as a medium and high probability. Medium probability is to go to 107,000 and low probability to go to 105. Now, if that happens, 105, this should be the bottom. And from here, we should see a very nice recovery to the upside, either by the end of the week or next week. Now, that is the reason, because we don't know what the price is going to do. And whoever tells you that they know what exactly the price is going to do, if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, that person should be billionaire. Okay, so that's the reason why I use crypto grid bots, and I choose a range, and either if the price goes up or goes down, as long as in the long time I am correct, and in this case I have my bots set for long positions, so I need the price to go higher eventually. But in the meantime, while the price is ranging, I am making money either way, either if it goes up or if it goes down. Obviously, if it goes down, I make less money, and I can show you here. Let's say Ethereum bot, I entered at 4,600. Right now the price is at 4,100 and I'm losing just the 3%. Why? Because I'm making money with the grid bot. So it's a little bit harder. I entered at 360. Right now it's at 323. I'm having a 10% loss, but because, well, there is a 22% loss for the 3x leverage that I'm using, but I got an 11.53% up on the grid bot. Why? Because it's ranging and I'm making money on that range. If we go to Bitcoin, I entered Bitcoin at 115,000. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is at 112,000 and I'm in the green. I'm in profit. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is lower than my entry price and I'm in profit. Again, that's why I use grid bots, because I don't know where the price is going to go. The moment the price goes higher, this green is going to get bigger and I will be much happier. Solana obviously is doing great. Is about that I entered at 190. The price is at 206. So I'm in profit in both sides. And XRP, I entered at 3. 285 is the actual price. And I'm at very small 0.47 loss. Why? Because I have an 11% on the grid. So yeah, that's why I like to know the range, the price of Bitcoin and the other crypto assets can be for the next few days. I use grid bots to catch all the movement inside, take as much profit as I can on my grids. And as long as the price ends going on my direction, in this case, longs all of them, eventually, if it takes a month, if it takes 2 months or 2 weeks, I know that I will be making even more money in here. Well, a few more things. We can see that September is on the green. Usually in years after the halving, September is on the red, but well, we still have one more day to go in the green. But October, in post-halving years, we can see 2021, it was almost at 40%, and 2027, it was a 47%. 2013, we're not going to get that, but it was a 61%. Yeah. We can see the liquidation heat map for the past 3 months, and we can see that there's money to be grabbed at 107. So definitely we can go to 107, bounce, and then go back up. This is the most likely possibility that I think. Also, we can see here on the 30 days liquidity that we have some at 106.7. So yeah, market makers can maybe move a little bit up, grab this liquidity, liquidate all these guys, then go down, and then we go up. So it would be a movement more or less like this. Then we go to 107, and up we go. All right, now altcoin season. Are we in altcoin season? Why my altcoins are not doing what I'm expecting them to do? I am not making 20x, 30x, 50x. That's what people are saying. If the altcoin season says that we are at 76 and we're definitely at altcoin season, well, this is why. Because you're checking altcoin season on the left. You have to check the monthly. And when you check the monthly, this is where we are, at 37. The last time, December 24, that was the peak of last year for altcoins. That they were almost 50% to 80% of value that they had in 2021. So right now we're here. So don't worry if your altcoin is not doing the movement that you expect, because we still have range to go up. Don't worry. Again, if you check this one, it says that we're at top and your altcoin is not moving. You can be like, what the hell is going on? Just check the monthly and you'll see that, yeah, we're not there. Don't worry. We still have some time to go. And talking about time to go, the CBBI, the confidence, if we are at the peak, it's at 75. Remember, 80 is the moment to start selling. In my case, it's not financial advice, but this is what I do. When we are higher than 80, I start selling a bit of my spot positions, not my trading positions. And the moment we are above 90, then I have like 70, 80% of my portfolio sold into USDT, and I keep another 15 to 20% just to see what happens. But yeah, we are at 75, so we still have time to keep going up. So yeah, that's the update about how the market is doing. Remember, guys, if you want to trade on Pionex, use the link in the description and you will get a 3% rebate on all of your transaction fees. And yeah, this is like 1,300 transactions in just a month. So yeah, the money adds up. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys are on the green, and I'll see you in the next one.